How to change your ringtone on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your settings, and then after going to that, all you have to do is to find your sounds and haptics. Click on sounds and haptics there, and on the second section here you'll see ringtone. Click on ringtone here, and it will give you list of ringtone, and you can even buy a specific ringtone via tone store, or you can download all your purchase. Then all you had to and then all you have to do is to just listen through that and choose a specific ringtone that you wish to have. And basically, that is it. If you're done, click on a specific ringtone, make sure that it has the check mark there. And basically, that's it. And you can even change the ringtone. And basically, that is it. And that is how you change your ringtone on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.